Hey everybody, Bill Ziemer, Utility Keystone Trailer Sales, Manheim, Pennsylvania, where it's 75 and sunny. Welcome to our video series on how to buy the best reefer trailer. If you're looking for a new or used reefer trailer, this series is definitely for you. Our goal is to find you the best reefer trailer within your budget. But to do that, we need a little bit more information. In this series of videos, we're going to take a deep dive into how to buy the best reefer trailer. Throughout this series, we'll answer questions like, do you need options and specifications for heavy haul applications? How much weight can you haul in your reefer trailer? What is a high cube trailer? What interior dimensions will you need? What is the best type of floor option for your application? What is your backhaul and what specs should you consider? How can I reduce damage and what will help reduce corrosion? And many more questions you might ask before your next purchase. We'll look at upgrades and options to consider to reduce your maintenance costs, your downtime, maximize efficiency, and your return on investment. Check out the links in the description below for each one of these videos. I'm Bill Ziemer, and thanks for watching.